Thanks for interesting to know about Clickfunnels business. Clickfunnels business in a box. In this article we will be talking about Clickfunnels business in a box. These days, along with age, the different methods of your online organization can assist or wipe out you. Do you understand how most providers are having an existence online? Clickfunnels business in a box. With web pages. The true challenge listed here is that the websites on internet have truly state-of-the-art substantially over the past 10 years. Now the methods of aged websites doesn't do the job in right now's organizations. In the final YRS, it could seem sensible to possess a typical web page that has a homepage which has a menu by using a assistance, price, about us and speak to us website page. A potential lead could visit your internet site, scroll down below. Then he would see the several websites and ideally eat any substance. Nevertheless, when you are a company or assistance that spends any income on advertising and marketing, click the link below in this video for more updates. You might want to control a bit what your website traffic and customers are learning about you, Clickfunnels in Spanish, and your enterprise in your website, such as the attainable offers at the best time. But what you're more than likely to want will be to take advantage of, make the most of every person that involves your website. So how do we archive this? Thanks for watching this video.